Okay, guys, I'm going to teach you really quickly how to navigate to the place. Well, there's somebody's feet. I'm going to navigate to the place where you accept your request from us. You're going to go onto Facebook just like you normally would, okay? And then you're going to go to your business page. And I'm going to go to a page that I've already accepted the invitation from Gravity Junction for. So you're going to go to your business page though. So this should look like your cover photo and your profile picture for your business page. And on that business page, you're going to navigate up here to where it says settings. And this is right under the notification bell and next to the word help, settings. And then when you get to the settings page, you're going to go all the way down to where it says page roles, and there's a little person icon beside it, and it is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th one down, page roles. You click on that. This is also where you would add someone to help you post, like within your business, and then choose their permissions. But this isn't where you see our request. You have to scroll on down, and then you're going to see a new area where it says agencies, and then you will see right here a request from Gravity Junction, and that is where you will hit right here. This has already been accepted into this page, so all I can do now is remove it, but yours will say Gravity Junction has requested to access your page, and then you're going to click right here. It's going to say accept, and that's all you do. And then we will be tied together so that we can work with your business better. Okay? Thanks so much.